Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back today on the chopping block. I'm going to kind of like cheat a little bit, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own Mississippi pot roast. So here's what we got. These are banana peppers, okay? That's not pepperoncinis. These are banana peppers, all right? We're gonna use some black pepper. We don't have the au juice, but we're gonna use some beef base, okay? And then we do have the ranch right here on deck. All right? And we're gonna go ahead and use the onion with it. All right, guys, let's jump right into it because this is gonna take a while to cook anyway. So we're just gonna get us like I don't know, about a teaspoon for each side of this roast. This is chuck roast. We're just gonna rub this on there like so, guys. And au juice, all that means cooked in its own juice, guys. That's what au juice means, cooked in its own juice. So it's gonna render down and it's gonna make its own juice anyway. All right. Alright, let me get some of this out of here. Alright. Now some of you guys have seen me make like a Philly, not Philly, but what I want to say is Italian beef. Authentic Chicago Italian beef. Same flavor. Guys, go check that out if you want to. That's off the chain. I'm trying to tell you, I made one that say better than Chicago. It's not no joke, because it is. I've had it so many years, over 30 years. All right. We're gonna come in here with some of this black pepper. Sprinkle a little bit, like a little bit on there. It's about a teaspoon. Just rub that on there. Ain't gotta be nothing fancy or nothing, guys. We'll come in here with the ranch. A teaspoon of that. Maybe a tablespoon. Alright. And we're gonna flip this bad boy over and repeat the process. Alright, I'm gonna get a teaspoon of this base, beef base. I'm gonna rub this on here on this side. Does a little teaspoon, or this total of a teaspoon. All right. I'm gonna have to show you guys how to make one of these barbecue ones one day. They taste good, off the chain, no doubt about it. Barbecue chuck roast and stuff, super delicious. And I do know how to grill, guys. I just don't have a grill. I live in an apartment complex, so you know they be acting funny with that situation. So that's why you don't see me doing that. I have a smoker. So if you guys want to see me do something on the smoker, just let me know, okay? All right, some more black pepper. All right. Just gonna let that spread it out pretty good on that side. We're gonna come with this ranch. Another teaspoon. All right. Now, I'm gonna take this glove off. I'm gonna get a knife, cut this onion up, like so. Now I'm gonna cut mine in chunks. And I swear for a living God, that phone always ringing. Always ringing, I swear. Anytime I'm cooking, I'm about to start cutting this down like this. We're just gonna take our onions, put it on there like so. The reason I cut them up in chunks, because like I said, you know, people in my family don't eat the onions, so they can just pick this off, or I can pick it off, whatever the case may be. Take the other one. Let's see, let you guys see that one at least. Just like so. Put some on the side or whatever. It was really simple. Alright. Then I'm coming here with these banana peppers. I'm pouring, taking the banana peppers out. Sprinkle these on top. Actually, this is going to make it taste even better than them pepperoncinis. Okay. Just like so, guys. We're going to pour a little of that juice in there. Put it on the side a little bit here. So we won't waste all our seasoning. Just like that. Alright, that's done. So, then we just going to give us a half a cup of water. Water right up in here, guys. Okay. And I'm gonna cook this for about 3 hours in the oven. And I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. At 350 degrees, my bad. Alright, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with this Mississippi pot roast VELDOGG weight. I'm gonna show you guys that. This is that. Put some asparagus on there. I say some asparagus. Some Brussels sprouts. I have some potatoes with it. And I have gravy also with it. Okay? So guys, if you like this recipe, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And yes, do not forget, that's right, hit that bell so you too can notify next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching. And I'm out.